Hi, and welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey on the OPTAVIA 5-in-1 plan. And today I have a special lean and green recipe. I was asked to do something for a breakfast or a brunch. And so what I've decided to do is a cheese omelet with jicama hash browns. And I'm going to show you how we do that. Now, jicama is a root vegetable. I looked it up and it's called the Mexican turnip. But what we need to do, we need to peel this and then grate 1 cup of the jicama for our hash browns. And we'll get started.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you.
Okay, now I'm going to grate the jicama. Got my measuring cup and all right, so I have 1 cup of shredded jicama. Now the next step is actually really important. I'm going to spread the jicama out on this microwave safe plate, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave on high for about 8 minutes. It's kind of a cross between a potato and an apple. It does have kind of a sweet flavor. We'll cook it in the microwave first, and then I'm going to put it in a mini casserole dish with some spices and some cheese, and then we're going to put it in the air fryer, and I'll show you how that's done. While my jicama is cooking in the microwave, I thought I would give you a little life update. I'm still trying to stick to my 30-day restart. I had a slip up on Easter, and then this past weekend I would be normally on day 16, but I had a little bit of a slip up Saturday night too. I blame the boyfriend, Mike. Just kidding. I had some wine, which is not on the plan, but I'm back on track, and I am planning on finishing up these 30 days without any cheating. So I also plan on incorporating some exercise back into my program. I have a pretty nice little workout room down in my basement. Maybe in a future video I will show you a clip of that, where I have a mini trampoline, I have a very nice treadmill and an elliptical and a squat machine. I have no excuses. I also have a Pilates reformer, but one of my favorite things to do is jog on the mini trampoline, and I've got my TV set up, and they call that rebounding, and it has a lot of benefits, especially for women. I'm about ready to get the jicama out of the microwave, and then I'm gonna spray it with olive oil, put my spices, and then I'm going to be having, like I said, an omelet and cheese. So I'm gonna use real eggs. 3 eggs is 1 lean. I'm going to use 2 eggs, and then for my other third of a lean, I'm going to be using 1/3 cup of reduced fat Fiesta blend cheese. I'm going to divide that up between the omelet and the hash browns, and I'll show you how I do that. If I just wanted to show you this cute little casserole dish. I got this for Christmas from my daughter. I picked it out, of course. Isn't this adorable? All right. I'm going to get the jicama out of the microwave, and we're going to prepare our hash browns in this little mini casserole dish and stick it in the air fryer. This jicama cooked so far down that it doesn't even really make a full cup. So I'm going to grate some zucchini and level this out for 1 cup. Okay, I'm going to stick this in the air fryer at 370 for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to clean some of this mess up, and then I'm going to get my omelet together. Okay, I am going to cut up 1 green's worth of red pepper. I looked in this handy dandy tracker book that I introduced to you in one of my unboxing videos. This is from Simply Planners, and it's specific to the OPTAVIA 5-in-1 plan, and it has all the information that you need when you are preparing your lean and green. And so I looked up red peppers, and 1 green is 2.63 ounces. So I'm going to measure that out, and I'm going to whip up my eggs. And add a little bit of water. And I'm going to use my new Zulai hand mixer to whip these up. I decided to use real eggs instead of egg substitute. I do like the egg substitute, but it's 2 cups for 1 leanness, and that's just really a lot. It's a lot of food. So I think this 2-egg omelet will be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna prepare my omelet.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night.
Okay, let's get the hash browns out of the air fryer. All right, they smell really good. Can you see how they turned out? All right, I'm gonna get this on a plate with my omelet, red peppers, and you'll see how it all looks put together. All right, so I've got my jicama and zucchini blend hash browns, my cheese omelet, and my red peppers, and I'm going to go enjoy this meal, and I will check back in a little bit. Okay, so I just finished my omelet and hash browns, and it was absolutely delicious. The hash browns were crispy and crunchy when you bit into them, just like hash browns should be. It was a really good lean and green that I will make many more times in the future. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel, and tick that notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.